Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a pop-up to your website here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a pop-up to your Squarespace website is a straightforward process that can be a strategic decision that offers several benefits depending on your goals. Now, in my case, I'm working with a specific design and I wanted this one to pop on my Squarespace website. So I'm working this design on Canva and I'm going to make sure that this is going to be the pop-up window that will appear whenever any visitors check in my Squarespace website. Now in this case, what I'm going to do is click on the option right here to embed. Okay, so there's going to be two options. There's going to be the HTML embed code or the smart embed link code. All right, I'm going to copy the first one. All right, I'm switching over to my Squarespace website. Now, once you are logged into your Squarespace website, hover to the website that you're currently building. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click the account dashboard and it will direct me to the website that I am currently working with. Okay. Now, let me click that and I'm going to edit it. Just wait for it to load in a little while. And then when it loads, you see there should be an option that says edit. I'm going to edit some information here. Now, for one, I'm going to make sure that I've pasted the embed code. That's what now we are wanted. I'm going to delete this image and I'm going to put in a specific image here by adding a block, putting an image, I'm going to upload the file. Just wait for it to load. I'm going to drop this image right here. Okay. Now, for you to be able to add a pop-up, all you have to do is add a block. Okay. Click on the code. You see that? I'm going to drag the code right here. And of course, you can put in the code that you have copied from the Canva design, which is going to be this one. All right, I'm going to switch over again to the Squarespace. From here, I'm going to put the code. You see that? That's going to be the pop-up. You can also have the option to display source code if you wanted. You see that? But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to make it sure that it pop-ups. You see, adding a JavaScript and iframe embeds is a premium feature. But of course, if you wanted that to happen, you need to go for the professional plan or hire to publish your site with premium blocks. But for now, it'll work. Okay. Once you're happy with this specific pop-up, you see, they also have an option wherein now you might want to use the chat GPT if you don't have any pop-up embedded link or code for HTML. All right. So here, all you have to do is, for example, create a code for pop-up in Squarespace. Let's see if we can get an example. So this is one of the methods for you to create a pop-up code for your Squarespace website if you don't have any. All right. See that? Just wait for it to load. So once you've done that, let's try adding another pop-up. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna copy this one and switch over to the Squarespace website. And similarly, I'm going to add a block. Click on the code again. I'm gonna drag this one to see if it'll work. You see that? So basically, we have successfully added a pop-up code here in Squarespace using the chat GPT and of course using the Canva design. Now the idea is that if you are launching a new product or service or subscription, a pop-up can help immediately showcase it to your visitors, giving it the attention it deserves. You can drive traffic to your product pages and increase awareness of what's new in your store. Once you're happy with it, all I have to do is click on save. And then from here, now, another platform that you can explore to add pop-up to your Squarespace website is using the Elf site, wherein, as you can see, the widget is ready to publish within a few clicks. You can configure any sort of pop-up to announce events and boost sales, all right? So you can, for example, select the new collection, the Black Friday announcement, sales notification, exit and intent, Thanksgiving Day, Black Friday coupon, special for you. So there's a lot. For example, I'm going to use the exit intent. All right. You see, all I have to do is to click on continue with the with this template. Right. So you have more freedom for you to have like an Elf site AI pop-up generator. If you want that, enter the pop-up description. For example, this. Start generating. Just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's a very dynamic way for you to add your pop-up to your Squarespace website, giving you a creative aesthetic control, because once you have configured everything here, you can save your changes and preview your site to see the pop-up in action. All you have to do is click the add to website for free button here, and you would be forwarded in this section. Right? Just wait for it. Now, you might want to rename the pop-up as something like this. Okay, you can add another element that you wanted. And of course, all you have to do is click on publish. But you can select the free account. That is going to be good for testing purposes. We'll select that. Once we've done that, as you can see, we can simply copy the code and switch back again to our Squarespace builder. Click on edit. And of course, we're going to add the image here. At the topmost corner, add the block. Again, put the code. Probably here. Put all of that. You can simply click on preview and save mode. You see that? A very dynamic way to choose a different layout styles, adding a pop-up using Elf site on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.